Today is all about succulents. These crafts are as simple as can be. One of the great things about them is that I found most of them at the Dollar Tree for $1. So you can get a lot of style for not much money. So I'm going to simply hot glue them right into my frame. So here's my mini succulent wall. It can hang, it can just lean, it can go on a shelf. This one, because it's a shadow board, it has the thick edges, so it can stand on its own. A few minutes, a couple dollars, and a beautiful wall. Another thing, a lot of you are probably the same as me, you love to collect vintage items. Another one of the things the Dollar Tree had were succulents that are already in little pots. So one of the things I have is a cheese box. Okay, you ready for the easiest craft ever done? These little potted succulents right into my cheese box. It's $3 and I have an instant piece of art. If you had it on a shelf where people could see inside, you could stick moss, and Dollar Tree has moss as well. You could gather some from your outside garden, some things to make as a filler. You could also use rocks. I picked up at Dollar Tree bags of rocks in white and in browns. This is a little enamelware mug, and I am going to fill it with some of those rocks I just showed you. Fill it with rocks. You could fill it with moss. And then take a succulent, and you could use, depending on how deep your mug is, you could pick one that had a clip, you could cut one off, or have one with a stick, and then you just set it inside the mug. Thing that I love are old soda crates. You could make it a shelf. When you style shelves, you love to have things that are going to go vertically, horizontally, different heights, just to make your eyes want to stay and linger on the things longer. So I grabbed a couple of vintage books. So I'm going to add 2 of those up at the top. It takes minutes to put together this little shelf. All these projects will be on the blog. You can also follow me on Instagram, on Twitter, Facebook, YouTube, Pinterest. I'm all over. Everything whitearrowshome.com. So thank you for joining me. I hope you've enjoyed all our succulent projects.